Looking to temporarily or permanently close OneDrive on your Windows? Whether you're switching to another service or just taking a break, closing OneDrive is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, locate the OneDrive icon in a system tray, which is found in the bottom right corner of your screen. It typically looks like a cloud icon. If it's not visible, click the small up arrow to reveal the hidden icons. Right-click on the OneDrive cloud icon and then select Settings from the context menu that appears. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive Settings panel. In the Settings panel, go to the Account tab. Here, click on Unlink this PC if you want to sign out or stop syncing the files, effectively closing OneDrive on a system. You'll be prompted to confirm your action. To fully close the OneDrive app, return to the system tray, click on the cloud icon again, and then close OneDrive or exit. This will completely shut down the service until manually reopened. And that's it. You've now closed OneDrive on your Windows PC. You can always re-enable it later by searching for OneDrive in the Start menu. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this.